guys, it's Lexi. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now, I'm outside. My heart was beating a little faster today when I woke up. So I just wanted to come outside and get some air. But while I was doing so, my sister called me in a panic to come kill a stink bug off of her little toothbrush. Now I'm up, ready to start the vlog for the day. I think we have to go out to the store now because she needs a new toothbrush because hers had a stink bug on it. Yeah. All right, y'all. You see I'm ready, kind of. I didn't do no kind of makeup. I didn't even do my hair because when you see me with this hat on, that means my hair didn't get done. I put a hat on. Me and my sister are at PetSmart. Why? Tell them why we're at PetSmart.
No, we're not getting a cat.
This for her cat. It's gonna be my gift. It's just a little toy thingy. She said cats have to be played with a lot when they're kids. It has a little mouse head on it. Alright, there's so much pet stuff back here. This girl got everything. We at Target now because we always taking trips to Target, but the main reason why we have to take this trip is for your toothbrush head. I also just like coming to Target and getting stuff. Let's go figure out what I need. Phillips. This one's it?
$26. This stink bug should pay for that.
Ooh, I've been wearing this for Alright, y'all, it's been too long. We've officially been like living at our place. Has it officially been a week? Yesterday was officially a week of us living here, and we still don't have any kind of groceries. Like, we have snacks.
Yeah, we got snacks.
But as far as groceries, we have none of that. We're at Publix. I like going to Publix because I know Publix. It doesn't matter what city, country I'm in. Okay, let me not say country. It doesn't matter what state I'm in. I just know Publix. I don't know what they have, and I know what I like from there. I want groceries. First time grocery shopping like without our dad. As soon as we walked in here, Mia goes, I wish we could go to our Publix with daddy. She had a little emotional moment. She didn't cry, no, we don't do all of that. But I just met a subscriber too. He was really nice.
This is a meal we love to eat, and we know how to cook it perfectly every time. So
and we never fail. Like, we've mastered this meal. So we getting 3. Because our Publix that we normally go to when we lived at our parents' house never had the bulgogi sauce. They got it here, so we getting 3. Shout out to HelloFresh for teaching us how to make that meal. That would be a staple probably in my house forever. You, bro, I don't do the math. I believe you. I'm not getting 4 though. I'm gonna get 1. Cause actually, are we gonna split that? Oh, I'm tripping. We gotta do something else. Let's just stick to what we always get for spaghetti. I don't want to risk it tasting different. I don't know. I don't know. French girl. Oh, I kind of like corn with the, you know? Okay. Yes, this is what I need. Grocery shopping? So far, so good.
Do you remember when this was like $10 during the pandemic?
Yup. One time I had Takis before getting on an airplane to go to New York to do an interview at ABC. Right before I got on that airplane, I threw up all them Takis I ate for like hours, like 8 hours. And on top of that, I was nervous and I never put another Taki in my mouth. So I will refuse to ever bring Takis into my household. Oh,
this is 10.
Picture.
Take that one out.
But hold on. But hold on. Let's see. We gotta see why it's a different price.
It's lighter.
Oh, we don't need that much. New and improved? Oh, give me that shit now. This is good. Oh, bro. That's so good. We'll have to get What's the total? What do you think the total is? I'm gonna say $230. I got so much trash and I don't know what to do with it because like, what do I do with this kind of trash? Like, I have a bit of anxiety when it comes to doing things for the first time or doing things that I've never done before. And I've never lived alone before, you know? So for my first time finding the trash can around here, the trash compactor or whatever, I'd like some help. Finally, some groceries. What we now will probably have to do is go to Home Goods because we have to get containers to split our groceries in to put in the fridge. Now that we split off our groceries, we literally have to go to my sister's house and drop all hers off. If this will just be our little routine, this will only happen like once a month. I don't know. Once a month? I think we'll go to the grocery store like once a month. More than that. Hello guys. If you can't tell by my face alone, I'm tired of vlogmas. Don't worry, I'm not tired of you guys, and I'm not tired of seeing your loving comments every day that I post. It is exhausting. Like, I am physically tired. We're gonna keep pushing. I missed yesterday. Sorry, I'm just gonna continue that vlog into today. Yesterday was, you see, I can't even remember what I did yesterday. But I know I didn't upload a video because that video never even made it off the SD card till like 10 p.m. at night. So we're just gonna continue that vlog today. As you can see, there's Pop-Tarts on my stairway. My mom dropped off so much stuff yesterday. I'll have to show you guys all of that when I get back. Today is exciting. Not really for me. I mean, it's exciting for me. I don't know. I think I'm not more excited. But I think I'm just excited for my sister to get a cat as my sister is. Like, I'm a little too excited. That's like embarrassing. It's like, wait, chill. It's not even your cat. Like, why are you so excited? And I'm just excited because it's gonna be a little kitten. We're actually about to literally go adopt a kitten right now. That's crazy. Let's go get a cat or something. I don't know. Oh, also she's making me drive. Oh, also this place is freaking far. Oh, also I've never been there. Oh, also I have driving anxiety, but she does too, so I'll take one for the team this time. Oh, also I had to drive us to Lashes the other way. I drove Never mind. She drove us to Lashes the last 3 times, so I guess I owe us a drive. That is true. A man came up to our car. He was like, "Can I get a jump? Do you know what year it is? It's 2022. No, you can't have a jump. You back away from my window." I don't know you, sir. Like, they can't think that's okay. Do they think that's okay? 2 girls sitting in a car. You're gonna ask for a jump. I'm sorry. Like, I wish I could give you a jump, sir. But honestly, I can't. Before we go to the adoption place to get the cat, we realized we're gonna need a carrier to put it in. So we're here at PetSmart really quick, and I know my sister's just anxious and excited because we have this little thing where we go anywhere, it's like we don't even say this out loud. It's just a known thing. We don't just get out the car immediately. We give it a second. We arrive.
We marinate in the car.
Yeah, we marinate in the car just for a little, and then we go. She's on go mode because she just got out the car. See this? See how she got? Oh. So we're here. We're at Huntsville Animal Services to adopt a kitten.
Yeah.
We're gonna chill till we're ready. I'm having chips right now because I need to eat. Let's go. We're getting a kitten. Okay, I keep saying we're, but whatever. You know what I freaking mean. Okay, so let's take a quick look. First of all, TV. Check. I have a TV. Yeah, it looks so amazing. I also did get bar stools delivered. They are the perfect color. They match everything, and it's helping me pull in all these brown tones in my house. If you can't tell, I really wanted to go for pretty much all earthy tones or browns and nudes and grays. So yeah, that's pretty much the vibe of my apartment. I really didn't want the accent color to be a color really, so I just went with brown, and I'm really happy that I did. I put my Govee lights around my TV. Also, my light bar came from Govee as well, and it's really so nice because it illuminates that corner of the room really nicely with whatever color I want. Then I put this Govee Aura lamp here on my shelf for even more of a vibe. And also, what's new on my shelf, I do have these links here. They're like wooden. I think they're really cute. These are new. I'm not keeping these gold candles because I didn't want any gold going on anywhere in my apartment except that. There's no gold. There's only gold in my bedroom. This is also a new lamp here. It's really cute. I put it together today, and I really like this because it helps bring in this that, if you guys remember, I was a little worried about this being a little bit too red. So I think this helps kind of tie it in somewhere. Oh, also back here with my little Target benches. Oh wait, did you guys even see this dining room table or this? I'm so tripping. I literally forgot to show you guys. I have a whole dining room table now. These aren't supposed to be here because there's no plates, but this is what it would look like. My mom just found these for me at Kirkland's, and there was literally only 4 left, which is perfect. I love this. I love the contrast between the black table and the wood on top. I thought this would be a cool area if I wanted to have friends over and say we want to, you know, eat and watch TV, but we don't want to eat on my white couch because this isn't my official couch. My couch is going to be the same couch, but white, pretty much. If you don't know, you missed the episode, but whatever. My dad also built these for me. I love this as well because we have more black being tied into the apartment, which I really wanted to do. And again, we have more of this mid-century modern, I don't know what to call it, but it's just the vibe, okay? Then in here, I just am storing some candles, but there's lots of storage in here. I considered putting my records in here if I had separate speakers for my records or my record system or whatever. The speakers I use for them, I also use for the TV. I put some of my favorite cars on here. We have a Skyline GTR, Lamborghinis, Corvettes, and this really cool Cobra. Also, I got some games in here. I have way more games than this, but This will be where I keep some games. And then I wanted to put something white on top of here. Well, I'm gonna say I wanted to, but my mom definitely came through with this because she took it literally from her house. Bro, my mom loves decorating so much that she took this from her literal house for my house. Let me show you guys my bathroom. My bathroom's clean. Please, let's go into the bathroom because she's clean. Look at these baskets. I finally got some baskets for these shelves, and I got these towels. They're from Sam's, and they're white towels, and they're luxury, okay? They're not even luxury for what they literally are so soft. I got some exfoliating gloves back there, some hand towels, and some claw clips and scrunchies, but I love these baskets. Put anything in them, they fit really good in my shelving space here, and it looks good too. But yeah, I've just been chilling, looking like this at the crib, but tomorrow I'm actually gonna be getting up and getting ready for the day, and I'm not gonna just be a lame. Hopefully I vlog.